Hey, this is Greg from DIY RV and Home. Back at you again with another knot video. This is the second in a series. If you didn't see the first one, tying a figure eight, go ahead and check that one out. I've got a link there up on the top for you. This one I'm going to go ahead and do the bowline, and two ways. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into that. So we need to get us a little excess rope. Go ahead and pull it to the side. We want to create a loop. We're going to come in that loop. We're going to go around the line, and then we're going to come back through that hole. And as we tighten out, we've just created a bowline. Okay. The benefit of this is fairly simple to make, and once you're done, it's easy to break apart. You don't have to cut the rope because the knot is so tight that you can't get it loose. Okay, so that is a bowline. The end of the line is actually on the inside of the loop. You can actually go around the other side and come back through, and it is still considered a bowline. Okay. Next, what I want to show you real quick is how to do this while you're going around something. And here again, I've got my bolt with my eye on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and create that loop again. I'm going to take it, I'm going to go right through the eye. I'm going to come up. I'm going to go around my rope, come right back through again. Then as I cinch back down again, there is my bowline. Bowline. Real simple, easy to make knot. One thing to do is always keep practicing. You hate to need it and forget how to use it, and then have to make a plain knot and then have to cut it in the end. So that was the two ways to make a bowline. Once again, I will slow it down. Also, one other thing that you can do is you can make that bowline again, and if you want to make sure it is safe and doesn't slip if you accidentally do get it wrong, you can put what they call a stopper knot in it. You can do just an overhand knot like that. That way, if it does come loose, it's going to grab that and it will not come off. Just leave you a little extra there. Or you can do the figure eight, which I don't have enough line here, so what I'll do is I'll just give me some excess line. You can do a figure eight safety knot, just like that. There you go, and that knot will not come off if it does slip, if you accidentally do not get it exactly perfect. So that is the bowline. I hope these videos are helping you out with some of the different knots that I use. You guys have a wonderful day.